Just hooked up the round baler to the big tractor. Loaded it with twine, put the computer monitor controller in the cab there, and ran the belts, fixed a splice, which we've rotated now so you can't see we were at the back when we did that. Emma's checking out the cows. They came up to see us.
I want to pet one. When I could pet one. I could pet one, Daddy.
I doubt it.
Yeah? I could pet one.
You want to pet one? Oh, there's Hamburger. He's coming over to visit you. We'll open up the little gate here. Here we are. We got a different pit crew today. What are you doing, Allie? What are we doing?
We're making hay bales.
Making hay bales. What's the wand used for?
To check the hay bales to see if they're perfect.
To check the bales to make sure they're perfect. Oh yeah. Here we're baling. First little bit here. The end of June 2017. Today being the 26th. Just dropped a 5-foot bale. Gonna make the hay bales a little bit smaller this year. See the Timothy heads in here. Very nice green grass.